To purchase a product on eBay, a simple e-commerce platform, you first need to access it. You can do this by downloading the eBay application from the App Store or by visiting the website directly using any browser. Once you've downloaded the app or visited the website, you can navigate through its features and set up your account. To find your desired item, you can search by keyword or browse through categories. The platform allows you to shop by category, and you can select from various options such as fashion, jewelry, and watches. After making your selection, you'll be presented with a list of available options to choose from. It's essential to carefully read the item's description and details, paying close attention to its condition and shipping information. This will help you make an informed decision and ensure you're getting the right product. Once you've found the item you want, you can view its price and other details by clicking on it. To complete your purchase, simply click on the Buy It Now option at the fixed price and proceed to checkout. You'll need to securely enter your payment information to finalize the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily buy a product on eBay.